Well, in May, we've always tried to focus on veterans and what they've done for us, our active military personnel. The Puppy Jake Foundation came up, and when you look at what they do for our veterans, it's very important, you know, the work they do, and it's really rewarding in my mind to be partnered with them because of what they do. And we have a lot of veterans that we employ. When you can see the company you work hard for is also out there working hard to support groups that might be part of your life. For the month of May, the Karl Auto Group, our goal is going to be 600 pre-owned vehicles. What that means for Puppy Jake is it'd be a $60,000 donation because we're going to donate $100 per vehicle. So what that will do is it'll basically provide the funding for 3 dogs to be trained and move through their process. Again, I want to remind everybody for the entire month of May to come to any of our Karl Auto Group locations and help us support the Puppy Jake Foundation. And thanks to the Puppy Jake Foundation for partnering with Karl Auto Group.